Hey guys, Curtis here. Today we're going to be doing a quick installation and a review video on the Ridge Ryder awnings. Today I've got two awnings with me. I've got the 2.5 meter by 2.5 meter, and that also comes with an optional LED lighting strip, which is pretty cool. And then second, we've got the rear awning. So that's also going to be pretty handy, and it's going to be interesting to install as well. And yeah, you can get both these products at Supercheap Auto, and if you get them at the right time, you get them for a good price. So yeah, let's get into the install and go from there. So once you've unboxed your awning, you're going to get these little kits that come with it. This kit here comes with the big awning, so you got three really heavy duty brackets, a couple of tent pegs, your straps, and some nuts and bolts. My technique's going to be a little different because I've got the aluminium canopy, so I'm just going to bolt mine straight to the canopy, which is going to be nice and simple, no messing around. How it works is you just get your bolt, slide it through the end, and do this on both sides, slide it in, and once you've got them slid in, just poke it through the hole and then tighten them up, and that's it. It's that easy. If you want to do it a different way, obviously it comes with three brackets, so you want to try and use three brackets, because if you don't, it might get a bit of flex and movement and it won't be good for the aluminium. But another technique, if you've got roof racks, you can just bolt these straight on the roof racks and then just do what I said before, just bolt straight through, and that's it. Very simple. So there she is, nice and sturdy. I've only got two brackets on, but they're spread apart, and I've had an awning on before and it seemed to survive the test of time. Over here where it starts to become a little loose, but you know, it's good. So yeah, straightforward. I'm just about to do the rear awning now. So what I've done is, with the brackets that it came with, I just cut them. As you can see, I've cut them here. I do need to put a bit of spray paint on them. And then I've started the nuts and bolts so I can slide them. And then what I'll do is, now I'll take it over. And I'm just going to bolt it down on top of that there, just like that. So I'll get my holes pre-drilled and get all that ready. And that'll be good. Alright guys, so here we have it, the Ridge Ryder 2.5 by 2.5 premium awning. These things are awesome, you can use them anywhere. Obviously we're hitched up at the moment, so we got the caravan awning, so we don't use it as much. But when we unhitch, we use it all the time. It's awesome. There's heaps of room. We can put the swag under, and we can still get to the kitchen and do all that kind of business. Now with these awnings, they're all relatively the same. They're all designed very similar. I guess in the end it's up to you on what product you prefer. I personally like the Ridge Ryder logo on the side rather than the other logos, which are a bit, yeah. So with this one, it's all aluminium, so it's all lightweight. But with aluminium and with lightweight, they are very fragile, so the most important thing with these awnings is that you peg them down. if you don't peg them, the awnings, if they get a big wind gust, the awnings will actually lift up and throw themselves over your car. And when it does that, I've actually had it happen previously with my previous awning. They can survive the impact, but what happens is all the aluminium holes will rip out and it'll actually bend and twist the aluminium. Like I said, it's lightweight, so just make sure you peg them down. And if it's going to get crazy windy, just put them away. You can put them away in a couple of minutes, so just save your awning by doing that. And as well, always put your flaps on as well. Cool. So a quick tip with these awnings, if it is raining, always have it so that it slopes down, because if you don't have that, it'll actually pull in the middle and it'll put stress on all of the joins. So all you got to do is just lower one side and all the water will go off and protect you and everything under you. So there's another little tip. As you can see, we got the light, which I'll show you tonight. We love this thing, it's awesome. You don't even have to have the awning out to use it, and that's what we like with that. So yeah, that's about it really. I don't want to go into the nitty gritty of the awning because everyone else do these reviews as well, so you can always check it out on another channel. But yeah, let's see what it's like at night. And now it's night. As you can see, we got the extra attachment, and this is just an LED strip that what it does is it just slides into the end and slides on in, and that is operated by a 12-volt cigarette plug, and you can actually dim it to get a bit of a mood setting going on. You can also turn it off like that, so that's pretty good. Really bright, really happy with that. Love it. And to pack it away, you can just leave it in there and roll up the cables, put the cables in here and zip it up, and good as gold. So yeah, pretty happy with the attachment. Cool, so what I've done is I've just rolled it back up, and as you can see, you can actually use the light with the awning packed up. So that's pretty cool, so you don't have to go to the effort of unfolding it to have a bit of light on your campsite. So I really like that. That's awesome. Alright, so time to head back to daytime. So